I'm Tiffany Masterson, the founder of Drunk Elephant. A lot of our customers had been asking for an even richer, more reparative moisturizer, and as I thought about what it would be, I kept thinking of how skin might feel after a laser treatment or a trip to Colorado in the winter, or how skin suffering from age-related chronic dryness must feel all the time, and what exactly all of those scenarios might call for. Meet Bora Barrier Repair Cream, a targeted heavy hitter for chronically dry skin, a compromised barrier, and/or skin that just can't retain moisture on its own. Bora is a buttery, ultra-rich lipid cream that is clinically proven to deliver deep, reparative, 24-hour moisture to even the driest skin, firming skin and soothing visible redness while restoring your skin barrier to its strongest, healthiest state. It has a unique 6 butter lipid complex that soothes skin, supports natural ceramide and hyaluronic acid production, strengthens the skin's barrier, and boosts and protects skin's moisture levels. We also included zinc and copper gluconates, minerals with collagen-boosting anti-redness benefits, and powerful antioxidant properties. Bora Barrier can be applied daily, morning and night. Just apply 1 pump to clean, dry skin. Like all of our other moisturizers, it's biocompatible and silicone-free, so it can be mixed with any Drunk Elephant serum, treatment, or cream into what we call a skincare smoothie. Just don't forget to finish your daytime routine with a broad-spectrum sunscreen, like one of our Umbras. I can't wait for you to try Bora, and I'm hoping you'll find it as transformative as I do.